टीम्स
जायसवाल सरफराज पे भी नजर रखेंगी कि किस तरीके से वो बल्लेबाजी करेंगे.
straight away runs. He said no, but he will get some runs. In fact, get a boundary to begin the Duleep Trophy, the domestic season. Glorious shot. When the left-hander plays it, it looks so very special, elegant.
ये शॉट करा रहा है, थोड़ा सा रूम था, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया जायसवाल ने.
Oh, very, very unlike Abhimanyu Ishwaran.
पहली सफलता इंडिया ए के गेंदबाजों के लिए.
Khalil back for a second spell, and this is how Jaiswal is greeted in.
शॉट 4 रन मिलेंगे यहां पर. पर मिल गई यशस्वी जायसवाल की विकेट 30 रन पर.
Split the uppercut.
Excitement, and the finger goes up. DRS.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets umpire's call, original decision is out. Tapan, you can stay with your original decision.
तीसरा झटका इंडिया बी को 67 for 3.
Gets on the mark in style. Driven down the ground in style. That's a lovely blow that. Going over the top as he allured the fielder. What an effort! Terrific catch this by Shubman Gill.
ये विकेट शुभमन गिल के नाम. 80 पर 4 इंडिया बी.
And it's a fast bowler.
पांचवा झटका इंडिया बी 80 पर 5.
Nicely bowled and well played as well.
भारी किनारा तो लगा है, लेकिन गैप में भी गया गेंद. 4 रन मिलेंगे. अरे मिस कर गए, फुल टॉस गेंद थी और आउट हो सकता है यहाँ पे. आकाशदीप कह रहे हैं कि पांव लगा है उनका.
Yes, I can see a slight deflection as the ball passes under the boot. It has touched his boot.
Yeah, conclusive evidence he has.
वॉशिंगटन सुंदर नॉन स्ट्राइक एंड पे रन आउट हो गए.
Gone.
और एक और बड़ा झटका.
Reaching out for it, gets a thickish edge, and that'll run away to the boundary as well. And that's a well played innings from Mushib. Superb half century coming under trying circumstances.
What a sweet sound as the ball hit the willow.
और शुरुआत ही 6 रनों के साथ और पहला छक्का.
He slapped it away, hasn't timed it too well, but he'll still get a boundary. Going with a single, and I think he's made the ground. It's a brilliant 100 from the number 3.
यहाँ मौका था सैनी के पास और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से हाथ खोले उन्होंने.
He can do this as well. That's up in the air as well, and that's gone. That's in the gap.
It's a single. This time. Oh, sloppy work. There's an overthrow. 150 comes up for Mushir. The splendid innings. He's worked really hard. Shown a lot of character. Shown how he can play with the lower order.
Goes big, and he clears it comfortably enough. Goes for another one. There's a fielder coming underneath it. Is that the end of the partnership? Yes. End of a terrific innings this from the young man. Moshir Khan dismissed for 181, 299 for 8.
इन्होंने आते लगाया है दूसरी गेंद पे. बड़ा शॉट.
And that's a good blow. And there it is. And he reaches his 50 with a cheeky shot, and that one goes past the boundary too. And he is delighted. What an extraordinary innings this has been. The end of the innings for 321. Top scorer being Mushir Khan on his debut. What a debut this has been for the young man.
He's extremely good through the offside.
रन्स मिलेंगे यहाँ पे और टाइमिंग देखिए कितनी बढ़िया थी यहाँ पे.
Oh, what a cover drive.
पहली सफलता मिलती हुई यहाँ इंडिया बी को.
Shubman Gill is dismissed for 25.
He's looked good once again. No chance for the fielder in the deep. Big appeal, and up goes the finger.
66 पे 2.
Super strike. Worked away really fine. There was a noise, certainly was a noise, and up goes the finger.
145 पर 3 इंडिया ए.
Big shout, and the finger goes up.
Pitching outside off, impact in line, wickets hitting, original decision out. Tapan, you can stay with your original decision.
Jurel walking back to the pavilion. He'll be disappointed for 2. Change of angle gives a bit of width, and that's put away by Shivam Dube.
सैंतीस पर विकेट गवाया. 169 फिर 5.
Beautiful. Now you know why he averages 42 plus.
Dube takes him straight away.
और ये कैच देखिए आप.
199 for 6.
सफलता एक बार और यहाँ पर मुकेश कुमार को.
Pitching outside off, impact in line, wicket setting, original decision out. Tapan, you can stay with your original decision.
और 7वां झटका 201 के स्कोर पर. उप्स, कोशिश तो अच्छी थी, लेकिन 4 रन अभी भी आकाशदीप के खाते में. पारी 231 रनों पर समाप्त होती हुई.
India B lead by 90 runs.
That's clubbed away through the offside.
Is there a little bit of a nick? There certainly is. Jaiswal is hanging around. He's not sure if that's been taken on the full by the keeper. And he's gone for it.
Yes, there's a clear spike as the ball passes the bat. Tapan, you can stay with your original decision. You're on screen.
13 एक विकेट के नुकसान पर इंडिया बी. एक्सीलेंट.
Mushir this time leaving without troubling the scorers.
यहाँ तो फील्डर थकेंगे क्योंकि बाउंड्री से बॉल उठा के लानी पड़ेगी वापस. एक और सफलता, ये रुकने वाले नहीं है.
India beat 22 for 3 and in a spot of border.
पंच.
Doesn't bother running. It's a gorgeous shot. There Rishabh Pant gets into the action. That's Rishabh Pant for you. Shot again. This time book was provided. Just for that particular shot.
That's the end of Sarfraz Khan. Avesh Khan gets his man.
94 पर 4.
Beautifully driven.
We've got a helmet on because it's almost coming for us. That is another 50. A walk in the park for Rishabh Pant. He's back.
और क्या पारी खेली है, 22 रन पे 3 विकेट खो दिए। यहाँ मौका बन सकता है, बन गया मौका और बड़ी विकेट दिलाई है टीम को। ऋषभ पंत ने बनाया 61 रन।
Oh, it's taken the outside edge.
छठा झटका नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी के रूप में। अभी 240 रनों की लीड इंडिया बी के पास।
Big appeal and Sai Kishore's decided to walk.
और साई किशोर को वापस भेजा 151 पर 7।
India a target of 275 to win this game outright.
Streaky for
क्लीन लिया कि नहीं लिया, नीतीश रेड्डी सोच रहे हैं और क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि उन्होंने क्लीन कैच लिया है। मयंक अग्रवाल अपने ग्राउंड से हिल नहीं रहे हैं। दोनों अंपायर चर्चा करेंगे।
and they will take another look, the help of the third umpire.
The ball has clearly taken the bat. It's going to catch. Yes, he's held the catch. I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Simply stunning.
7 पर 1 इंडिया ए। मयंक अग्रवाल 3 बना के वापस। बल्ला नहीं रुकेगा आज।
Oh, what a delivery, angled in and left him. He's gone for 31 of just 18, 51 for 2.
4 रन केएल राहुल के लिए।
End of Gill for 21, 75 for 3 India A.
सफलता भी मिल गई एकदम से।
End of Jurel, 76 for 4 India A.
Whoa! First ball, Tanush Kotian, Mukesh Kumar hit the straps.
कोटियान 0 पे आउट हुए हैं, 76 पे 5। जैसे ही वो गेंदबाज ने थोड़ी सी भी चूक करी ना लेंथ में, वहां केएल राहुल तैयार रहते हैं। यहां पे रूम मिला है और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया शिवम दुबे ने।
Leading edge and taken.
और छठा झटका दे दिया इंडिया ए को 99 के स्कोर पे शिवम दुबे के रूप में। ये ट्रेडमार्क केएल राहुल शॉट। अब आराम से पूरा हुआ सिग्नल। छोटा सा माइलस्टोन केएल राहुल ने यहाँ पे पा लिया है, अर्धशतक। वेल प्लेड केएल राहुल।
भारी किनारा और यहाँ विकेट मिलेगी।
141, 7.
Yeah, congratulations to each other for the fielding side. They've fought hard. 6 points it is for India B. That's how this game has panned out. India B 321, India A 231, India B in the second innings 184, and India A 198, falling short by 76 runs.
Conceding a lead, 231 bowled out.